Getting your first client as an engineer can feel impossible, especially when you don't have connections. But what if connections aren't actually the key? Welcome to this channel, the Merchant Construct-preneurs and Tutors. Let's be real, most engineers are stuck, not because they lack skills, but because they believe one lie: you need connections to succeed. That's false. Connections don't create opportunities, visibility and value do. There are engineers out there right now, no godfather, no rich uncle getting clients consistently. So what are they doing differently? In this video, you'll discover 6 proven strategies that successful engineers use to land their first client from scratch. Whether you're in Nigeria or anywhere globally, these methods will help you build visibility, trust, and credibility fast. If you're ready to stop waiting and start earning, this is your blueprint even if nobody knows you. Action 1. Reposition yourself as a problem solver. The fastest way to remain invisible in the industry is to introduce yourself like every other engineer. I'm a civil engineer. I design structures. That's generic. And clients ignore generic. Clients are not searching for job titles, they are searching for solutions. A homeowner dealing with cracks doesn't care about your degree. A developer facing cost overruns doesn't care about your CV. They care about one thing: can you solve my problem? So you must reposition yourself. Instead of, I offer structural design services, say, I help property owners prevent structural failure and avoid costly mistakes during construction. Now you're speaking their language. Start identifying common problems: weak foundations, structural cracks, poor drainage, material wastage. Then align your message to solving them. Because when people see you as a solution, they stop seeing you as an option. They start seeing you as a necessity. Section 2. Create visibility daily. If nobody knows you, then nothing else matters. You can be the most skilled engineer, but if you're invisible, you're irrelevant. So your first job is not to find clients. It is to be seen consistently. Start using free platforms: WhatsApp status, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Post valuable content daily. Cite mistakes people should avoid. Lessons from real projects. Cost-saving tips. Safety insights. For example, why your building might fail after 3 years. 3 hidden mistakes in residential construction. This kind of content does something powerful. It attracts the exact audience that needs you. And here's the key: consistency beats perfection. Don't wait for perfect videos. Don't wait for perfect confidence. Start rough. Improve as you go. Because the more people see you, the more they remember you. And in construction, people don't hire strangers. They hire the person they keep seeing. Action 3. Start conversations, not sales. Most beginners approach clients the wrong way. They jump straight into selling. Do you need an engineer? I can work for you. That approach fails. Why? Because people resist being sold to. But they respond to value and insight. Instead, start conversations. Reach out to builders, architects, developers, property owners, not to sell, but to contribute. For example, hi, I came across your project. Just wanted to share a quick insight on foundation design that could help avoid settlement issues. No pressure, no desperation, just value. This positions you differently. Now you're not another engineer begging for work. You're a professional offering expertise. And when they eventually need help, you're already in their mind. Your first client often comes from a simple conversation, handled the right way. Action 4. Build a small but powerful portfolio. Here's the harsh truth: nobody trusts what they cannot see. You may have knowledge, but without proof, it's invisible. So you need a portfolio even if you've never had a client. How? Start small. Redesign an existing building. Analyze structural failures around you. Create sample projects. Volunteer on a site. Then document everything. Take pictures, record videos, show your process. Explain what the problem was, what solution you proposed, what the outcome was. This transforms you from an engineer with potential to an engineer with proof. And in this industry, proof builds trust faster than words ever can. Even one well-documented project can open doors. Action 5. Leverage your immediate environment. Many engineers ignore their biggest opportunity: the environment around them. Look around you. There are ongoing building projects, small contractors, house owners, local developers. These are potential clients. Start locally. Visit sites. Observe. Engage. Ask questions. Offer insights. For example, sir, I noticed the reinforcement spacing here. You might want to adjust it to avoid long-term issues. You're not criticizing, you're contributing. Over time, people begin to recognize you. And once trust builds, opportunities follow. Your first client is often closer than you think. Not online, not far away, but right within your environment. Action 6. Be consistent until you get your break. This is where most people fail. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they stop too early. They post for 3 days, then quit. They reach out to 5 people, then stop. But success doesn't respond to effort. It responds to consistent effort. You must show up daily, post content, start conversations, learn and improve, engage your environment, even when nothing seems to be happening. Because something is happening, you're building visibility, trust, and reputation. And then one day, someone reaches out. Hello, I've been seeing your posts. That's how it starts. Your first client won't come from luck. It will come from consistency meeting opportunity. So don't stop, because the moment you stop, you reset your progress. In conclusion, if you've been waiting for connections to change your life, you might be waiting forever. But if you start positioning yourself, showing up, and solving real problems, your first client is closer than you think. Start today, stay consistent, and build your name from the ground up. If you found this valuable, like this video, subscribe, and share it with another engineer who needs to hear this. Because your breakthrough might just start with your first client. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe you got value from it. For more educative content on construction and structural engineering, don't forget to share, like, comment, turn on the notification button and subscribe to this channel, The Merchant Construct-preneurs and Tutors. See you in the next video. Bye.